Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Redshift data sharing with AWS Resource Access Manager, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin with, log in to your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Redshift service from the dashboard. Select the cluster for which you want to enable data sharing. Go to the Configuration tab of your selected cluster. Look for the Data Sharing section. Click on Modify to edit the data sharing settings. Enable data sharing by toggling the option to On. Next, scroll down to the Resource Access Manager section. Open the AWS Resource Access Manager console in a new tab. In the Resource Access Manager console, go to the Shared Resources section. Select Create Resource Share. Name your resource share appropriately for easy identification. Under the Resources tab, click on Add Resource. Choose Amazon Redshift clusters from the resource type options. Select the Redshift cluster you wish to share data from. Click Add Resources to include the selected cluster. Proceed to the Principals tab to add the AWS accounts or organizational units that need access. Enter the AWS account IDs that require access to your shared data. You can add multiple accounts if necessary. Once all accounts are added, proceed by clicking Next. On the review page, ensure all details are accurate. Confirm that the resource share includes the correct Redshift cluster and principals. Click on Create Resource Share to finalize the process. Now return to the Amazon Redshift console. In the cluster's configuration, confirm that the data sharing status is enabled. To share data, create a new database in the shared cluster. Use the SQL commands necessary to create and load the required data. Once data is loaded, it will be available for sharing with the specified accounts. Remember to configure permissions for users in the recipient accounts to access the shared data. Test the data sharing by accessing the shared database from a different AWS account. Perform queries to ensure the data is accessible and functioning as expected. This completes the process of authorizing Redshift data sharing with AWS Resource Access Manager. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.